up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my Miniverse. Speaking of Miniverse, we have been slowly building our own Darby land on Roblox in our game Miniverse 2. Am I going to get fussed at for this? Maybe, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Happy holidays! This is the Disney Illy 4Ever Holiday 3-pack featuring 3 Disney Store Illy 4Ever dolls. I bought this set from shopdisney.com for $89.99. Show off the holiday cheer in you with Disney Illy 4Ever. No, I'm totally not skipping the spooky season. I'm just reading what's on the box. Happy holidays! I can never wait for the right season. There's a surprise inside. At $89.99, we're paying $29.99 per doll. We get a boy. He has brown hair, brown eyes. The hair is longer on one side than the other. Those are inset eyes. The doll has rooted hair, can move at the neck, the shoulder, the elbow, the wrist, hip. There's a double joint at the knee, and they can move at the ankle. This doll comes dressed in a red plaid shirt. There's a white shirt underneath with a collar and a graphic on the front that says Main Street, USA. It velcros in the back with that good velcro. He wears burgundy corduroy pants with stitched details, has cuffs at the bottom, and wears brown shoes with painted details. Each doll has a treat next to them. Here we get a gingerbread Mickey and Minnie on a Mickey plate. And yes, they are attached to the plate. He looks pretty similar to the Aladdin-inspired doll. He's shorter than a classic Ken. They can swap clothes, except the Illy doll can't wear Ken's shoes, and Illy pants are a little short on Ken. And take care, Velcro can snag this shirt. This doll reminds me of the I Love Mickey doll that we bought at Target. Only this doll has inset eyes, a reddish lip color, and double joints at the knees. She comes wearing a white hat with red pom-poms, a Mickey scarf with fringe, a long sleeve red shirt that also says Main Street, USA, a silver skirt with sequins, and green shoes with sculpted bows and white soles. Mine are a little large and have fallen off of her feet a few times. This doll has braids, brown eyes, and heart earrings that are removable. And the treat next to her in the box is a pair of Mickey caramel or chocolate apples. Oh, the description online says that they're cupcakes. My bad. And the third doll wears a red beanie with a gold pom-pom, has brown hair with burgundy in the back, green inset eyes, red lipstick, and it looks like she's wearing a hearing aid that is removable. She has a necklace, a sparkly red Main Street USA t-shirt, green Mickey and Minnie pants that match the scarf from the other doll. She has silver and gray shoes, comes with a red glitter Mickey backpack that has a slit in the top, and her treat is a seasonal frosty drink. There is a very high probability that Mini Toya will take all of their clothes. They are a perfect fit on a classic Barbie body. Here is our curvy made-to-move Ariel. The top was easy, the skirt was a challenge, and I couldn't get it to close in the back. The short sleeve glitter shirt is an easy fit on a classic Barbie along with the pants. And it looks really cute on a curvy too. And there's a shopping bag with a surprise. The bag is made out of paper, and there is tissue paper inside. Let's open the tissue paper to see holiday Mickey Mouse ears. This is perfect. I was just thinking to myself, this set needs some Mickey Mouse ears. They are a little loose on this Barbie, but I think each doll should have came with a set of ears and a bag. A while back, we made a crafting on the go kit using a pencil box. Mine's kind of a mess now, so let's make a new one. With the holidays approaching, this could be a fun gift idea for the crafter in your life. I went to Pop Shelf to gather a few supplies. They had all this Halloween stuff out, and I saw this wall art. So I picked one up along with this pink cutting mat and a yoga strap and a little overnight travel bag. And let's grab a phone stand too. We are back in the studio with all of our supplies. I bought 2 travel bags and my total was about $30, with the wall art being $8. And of course you can find alternatives to lower the cost. Since we're going to cover up the design anyway, I am going to glue the self-healing mat inside. It was $5. I take the yoga strap, carefully remove the buckles or D-rings if it has one, glue it going around the edge. I am using hot glue and I am very generous. I glued it halfway across the bottom and up one side. Then I take the other end and glue it on and repeat, leaving the top free so there is a handle. I fold over the excess and glue it down on 3 of the sides, so I have a comfy edge when I am working. I want to use the travel bag to hold our supplies. Originally, I was going to glue it onto the back, but what if you need something and you're in the middle of crafting? You don't want to have to move your project. In hindsight, I could have just added this ring to attach them together at the top. But since I already glued everything down, I'm going to use a little D-ring with the clasp and give myself an excuse to open Real Little's backpacks with these cute little hamsters. I got it at Target on sale for half off. It was $4.50. It has 4 real working surprises inside. There's a hamster backpack and a bag. The hamster has pink straps on the back and a working zipper inside. It's kind of fluffy, not a ton of space in there. You know I had to test it out on a doll. Mini Toya is totally going to rock this when it's not attached to our portable crafting table. Let's open the small paper bag. We have a pencil, a hamster notebook with real pages so we can sketch our crafting ideas in miniature, or at least to write down a few ideas. We have 2 pages of stickers and a carabiner that we can use to attach the travel bag to the strap and the hamster backpack because it's cute. And we can place our mini supplies inside the little travel bag. And we can reuse Barbie clothing bags to keep a few things separate for our portable crafting table that we can use if we're sitting in the car, on the couch, watching a movie. I was thinking we could take it a step further by adding a phone stand. This one can be stored in the travel bag when not in use. I'm just going to attach it to the board. This is not the easiest one to bend. I would shop around. I'm using one that I already owned, and it has a light, so we can record videos while we work. So if we leave off the phone stand and one of the bags, we can subtract $8 from that price, making this crafting table on the go about $22 if you don't count the hamster. Or we can go to the dollar store, get a wood panel for $3, a cutting mat for $1.25, and a crossbody bag also for $1.25, and make a similar setup for a fraction of the cost. This one was about $5.50, and I only glued the straps to the sides. And this one could totally fit in my suitcase. Let's test out our new portable crafting table. I'm cutting some paperboard from the box, take some ribbon, a Barbie headband, or make one using a paperclip, and fabric. I cut a small circle out of leftover paperboard, cut one end on a curve so it can fit the headband. I cut the plastic bow off the headband, trace the circle 4 times on the paperboard, cut them out, cover them with fabric, folding it over the edge and gluing it on the back. Once all 4 have been covered, I wrap a little bit of ribbon around the headband and glue it in place, leaving 2 pieces standing up. Glue the circles on the sides with the ribbon in between. Cover the edge with a thin ribbon or a decorative thread. Use ribbon to add a bow to make holiday Mickey ears for our dolls. Okay, it's too soon for candy canes and hot cocoa. Then what about a little haunted mansion? At shopdisney.com, I picked up the Haunted Mansion fashion pack for $14.99. I am loving the color palette. Here we get a purple tank top with a cat on the front, a two-tone blue skirt with pleats and an elaborate print. They are two separate pieces and Velcro in the back. Then there's a black sheer top with a white collar with roses, black knee-highs, black and white shoes, a blue and purple Mickey Mouse headband. Kinda love it. A black plastic necklace and a purse. The purse is clear in the back and there is an opening at the top. Totally a fun look for Halloween, and I think it looks great on the Ursula-inspired doll. But can it fit Mini Toya? Yeah! The ears and the socks are a little loose. I couldn't get the socks all the way up on a curvy, and it was a little difficult to close the skirt in the back. But I hesitated on getting this set, and now I'm glad that I did. I think this is going to be my color palette for Halloween. So bring on the purple. I bought the Space Mountain accessory pack for $16.99. The sleeping bag is out of this world. It says so right here. It really feels like a sleeping bag. There's a star pillow with a top stitch, a lantern and a flashlight, a thermos and a cup, pizza and a bucket of popcorn, a plastic journal, and a pen. Here is one of our miraculous skippers in a sleeping bag, and here's a Barbie. We showed the matching pajamas in an earlier video. And there's a telescope that can move. I really like the Illy 4Ever fashion packs and accessories. I love using them with my Barbies. I am very interested in a Haunted Mansion accessory pack. And personally, I would have liked to have seen the holiday dolls as fashion packs as well. But that's just me. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Illy 4Ever. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!